Hello, welcome to my channel, Lady Gem. Um, Today I am coming to you with the styling portion of my of this particular routine of products that I'm testing out, combos that I'm testing out together. I washed my hair with the Cantu ACV rinse. I was just testing that out. It's I think it's a, and I should have brought it, but I'll bring it at the end. But it's a product that we can use to cleanse your scalp if you have protective styles. And to me, it's a little bit stripping, clarifying, and it could also be felt that way to me because I don't have that much product buildup in my hair. So, because unfortunately, the shampoo I used last week clarified and stripped my hair, and the week before that, it's the same thing. So I don't have that much. I didn't have that much product buildup, but it didn't lather up. It didn't suds up, but it definitely cleansed my hair. It does have, you can vaguely smell the apple cider vinegar in it. Don't get it in your eye. And then I went in with the Dr. Miracle's Deep Treatment Mask, a little bit of that, and a little bit of my Olaplex conditioner. Mix the two together. What I can tell you with that combination, I have tons of slip. Both products had tons of slip. Having used the Olaplex conditioner many times, I know how my hair should feel with that product by itself. Now, combining it with the mask, my hair, it didn't leave a moisture. My hair didn't feel moisturized afterwards. So I can say, separate and apart from the Olaplex, that Dr. Miracles won't give me much moisture. It will give me slip. It was slippery, but it won't give me much moisture. So I might just finish that off on my daughter's hair and not on my head. Thank you. And I will, so then I will see you. I'll be right back and I will see you with styling. Okay. So I still got this in my head, but because I forgot to do this, show you what my leave-in will be. It will be melanin multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. I've never used it as a leave-in. Maybe I have. I think I might have used it once as a leave-in, but then I decided it didn't have enough moisture. But I don't remember what my styling product was. But I've been using this as a moisturizer. But I want to retry it again as a leave-in with this, the Nature's Little Secret Flaxseed Curling Custard. Now, I used this last wash day, and if you saw the latter half of my not fave, my fave, well, my wannabe faves, I guess, and my and my not faves, how my hair in those videos, it was for me using this product with the Unicurl 4-in-1 styler, and I just used a little bit of the 4-in-1 styler, and then I used this. My hair felt great for the first couple of days, but then the moisture, I didn't feel it didn't have any moisturizing. Neither one of the products was moisturizing enough. So when this dried off, my hair though felt smooth. I can feel the coating from this, and my hair felt smooth, but it felt dry, that it can get brittle. So I did moisturize it, but because flaxseed is it keeps moisture out and locks moisture in. It didn't, the moisturizer that I put in my hair, which is an Annabelle's, it just evaporated. So it didn't give me the moisture. So therefore I had to wash my hair early. So I'm going to go try it again with these two combos because these are one of the two leave-ins. Oh, I want to try this, but I wonder if I should try the Miche instead. Hold on. See, this is what happens. Where's that Miche? Hold on. I just saw it. I have less of the Miche. Miche is more moisturizing. You know? I'm switching out. I'm switching in. I'm doing these two. That's what I'm going to do because this is not as moisturizing. And I don't remember this is being as moisturizing. This gives me the slip and it's moisturizing. And I want to use this up in there. I have less in here, maybe have 2 uses. So yeah, I'm going to use this instead. All right, I'm going to go section my hair off and put the leave-in in, and then I'll be back. But I'm going to leave a section because I like when I'm putting products in my hair, I like to record the application process so that I can see how my hair, I want to use the word react, how my hair and the product go together. Does it just sit on my hair, or does my hair absorb it? Does it give me any curl definition? How does my hair feel? I like to record that and show it as well. So I'm going to come back and probably do a bit of the front. Of course, my front is different than my back, but I want to keep this video as short as possible. So I'll be back. Okay, usually I would have put it on this side, but I forgot and I started on this side. So I will put it on the leave-in that is on this side. And this is my hair with nothing in it. So I'm gonna split it this way. I usually like splitting it down this way when I'm putting products in, with the exception of shampoos. So let me just, oops. Oh, I'm gonna have to bang on that leave-in in a minute, because it's, so as you can see, my hair absorbs it. It gives me, my hair feels moisturized. It gives me a little bit of slip. It's not as slippery as the Jane Carter's. Now my hair with the Olaplex and the Dr. Merkel's, I finger detangled, and they were very slippery, so I was able to get those out. And then last week I also had comb detangled my hair. And those of you who are new, I'm trying out, and I started this in September, I think, of last year, where I finger detangle my hair 3 weeks of the month, and then 4th week I use a comb, a detangling comb, or a white tooth comb or something. And usually that's the week I try to shampoo, if I remember. I do shampoo, maybe sometimes I shampoo more often, but this, yeah, the product is starting to be empty. Well, no, but it's just hard to get it out now because it's so as you're coming near the bottom, it's so thick. Come on. Okay, they need to put this in a squeeze of sorts because I can't get it to come out, and there's a whole lot. Hold on. And it's so slippery too. Am I able I can't even open it. Hold on, let me get rid of the little bit in my hand. But I do like this leave-in condition. I just don't like that I'm paying more for less now. Hold on. Okay, it's my husband leaving. Okay, it is slippery. Banging this so that I can, and I hate this. I hate that. I wish maybe they need to change the packaging. I know they did change the packaging to a smaller whatever. It's a slimmer bottle. Oh Lord, this doesn't want to come out, and my hair is getting dry sitting here. Oh no, it doesn't want to come out. Hold on, this is a crap ton more left in here. This is a struggle. No, hold on, don't tell me I have to tip this over already. I didn't think I had to. Ay vey. Huh. Damn, even doing that is not coming. Sheesh. Oh, I gotta call to make sure my child is in class. Oh, oops, now I got too much. Oh Lord, okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, I had a slight emergency, and so I had to get the conditioner off my hands. So I just put it on, but now I'm gonna work it through my hair. But oh, my hair is, hold on, y'all. I was not expecting my hair to be so dry already. Hold on. I'm gonna spray some of this rose water on it. I should put probably some on my face too, but the last time I did that, it made my face dry. So now when I do this, it is just to reactivate the product. Y'all, my mother's calling me. I'll be right back. Okay. Now, okay, so I've worked the product. Sorry you weren't able to see, but I've worked the product in my hair. Now I'm going to go section my hair off the way how I want it, which lately I used for years. I've done the middle thing, but I need to switch that up. So lately I've been giving myself a part on my left and just I used to do this when I was relaxed, a slight part on this side. And then let me get the back out because I like to. Then I section the back off into two sections, and I know you can't see this, but that's what I'm gonna do, and I will be back. But this is what my hair is looking like with the leave-in. Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I've sectioned off my hair. I'm gonna spin around, and then I'm gonna describe the method to my madness. And again, like I said, for years, and you've probably seen some of my videos, I would section my hair off into fours and then twist my hair up that way. But of course, doing that over years will cause breakage, etc., etc. So what I'm doing now is I'm giving myself this part here, and because then my twist will then frame my nice cheeks differently. But the back, so then how would I do the back? So I went, hopefully you can see, I sectioned it off into 3 in the back. So this is one section. Hold on, I twisted this up. Hold on, hopefully you can see. Hold yours. Hold. Hold on. This is one section. This is one section. This and this. So I think this is how it goes. Hold on. No, I'm lost. Hold on. Oh, this and this is one. Here we go. This is one section. This is one. This is one whole section. So 1, 2, 3. So, and then 4 and then 5. So now that I've untwisted my hair, I gotta put them back up because I'm trying to not let the moisture, the water, evaporates too much out of my hair. I'm gonna use this rose water that I have on my desk right here. I'm just gonna zhuzh it up. I'm gonna turn around so you can see. Hopefully you saw that. Hold on, I need to work this in. I need more because the heat is on in the house. Oh. Okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to now make little smaller sections that I am going to twist. So trying to find my clips. All I had these types, well, not this, but you've seen me with some yellows and some pink ones. I purchased those years and years ago at some beauty supplies. Beauty supply store. And then I bought some other clips over the years that were those Crocs or whatever they're called. Those things are horrible, especially the main choice ones. Don't buy those. But I'm loving these. So this I squirted just a pump of the custard, the flaxseed gel custard, and so here we go. I'm gonna need more. Another pump. What I can tell from using this last week is this flaxseed gel has a lot of hold. There's a ton of hold with this. It eventually, it took me a few days for the crunch to come out. When it did, my hair was dry, but it didn't feel like it's about to snap off per se, but it was, it needed some TLC. But and I don't know if it was the flaxseed gel. I mean, if it's this gel. Now, putting this in your hair is very messy because of the high water content. It drips everywhere. It drips everywhere. What was I saying? When your hair dries, my hair, the shaft felt so smooth, like I have some sort of silk. And like I said, I don't know if that is also from. I should turn this way. If that's also from the Unicurl 4-in-1 styler, because it does have that silky feeling to it. So now I don't know. I mean, these are some nice curls and all, but I see frizz. But my hair, of course, is not soaking wet. So I'm gonna. Okay, so this is me back from under the dryer. I was under the dryer for about 45 minutes, and I didn't even realize I put this hair like this, and this is how my hair dried. Like, this is how stiff my hair is. It is stiff. It is so stiff. Like, but it's stiff and it feels dry. But when the gel cast breaks, that's when the action happens. But the gel cast takes a long time to break, y'all. So again, I wanted to see if the combination of I didn't even know I had this in my hair. If the combination of the Miche Beauty leave-in and the Nature's Little Secret Flaxseed curling gel, which by the way, I've used it twice, and yeah, I use quite a lot. I think I only have maybe one use left, so I think I'm only gonna get 3 uses out of this. Um, and this is 12 ounces, and with let me see, Camille Rose. Hold on, I have an empty one today. It's 12 ounces. The Camille Rose, I get 4 uses out of it. Anyhow, I forgot what I was saying. My hair is stiff. Oh yeah, I was saying I don't know yet when the gel cast breaks, which is probably when I'll wait to come back. How my hair truly feels with the combination of the leave-in and the gel and the custard gel. I don't really think of this as a custard. I don't know, but whatever. So yeah, but right now it is stiff. It feels very dry. It feels like um it feels brittle, to be honest. But that's, I think, because of the gel cast. Right now the gel cast is strong. It's My hair is literally stiff. I'm just trying to break it up a little bit. But I'll just wait. Alrighty. I'll be back with the final review whenever this gel cast breaks. Okay, so I'm back for the final review of, now this is a new bottle. I already put um the original bottle that I had, the original packaging that I had, that I actually did use in this video. I already put that in the empties because I decanted the little bit that was left and it was hard to pump it out. But so the leave-in, Miche Lavish leave-in and Nature's Little Secret flaxseed curly custard. These two. Now, this is not as moisturizing as what this product needs. Now, that does not mean that this isn't moisturizing. This just means that this needs a lot of help. Needs more help than what this can afford. And I think I might have to try this. I'm looking because I already prepared my wash day basket for my next wash day. I do have another one. I think this has to be paired with the Nature's Little Secret avocado cream. I think. But and it also, I think, if I remember correctly, that it did work with the Unicurl 4-in-1 styler. Yeah, it did work with the 4-in-1 styler, but not with this. My hair was dry after about a day or so, and usually, again, I don't wash my hair twice a week, but I had to wash it out, and I actually recorded that video. But nope, this is a combo fail. Again, that does not mean that these products separately are not great products. This has a ton of hold. And for it being a botanical gel, this is my fave. So the, this is good, okay? But let me just talk about this for a minute. For it to be a botanical gel, and y'all know I love my botanical gels. I was just looking around to see if I have one near me, but I don't. They're on the other side of this. Comparing it to, say, Camille Rose Curl Maker and Kinky Curly, and even Uncle Funky's daughter, Curly Magic. Those are more thicker, more the consistency is more firmer, um, and so your hair feels more weighted down. Those are more on the sticky side, more on the moisturizing side. This is more on the light as a feather. When you put this in your hair, first of all, it drips through your hand like water. You know, it becomes very liquidy and it will drip everywhere. It made a mess. Both days I put on brand new clothes, and both days my clothes was a complete mess, and I completely forgot that the first day it was a complete mess. Um, but also when it dries, my even while you're putting it on and when it dries, your hair is free. You have movement with it. It feels silky, but it's not silky. It feels very lightweight. Your hair feels lightweight. But the hole on this thing, with just what I would call this a light leave-in for this, if that is such a thing. But the hole on this with a light leave-in is one of the strongest holes I've ever experienced. Yes. And of course, it does not have that tacky feeling that some people don't like from, say, Camille Rose or Kinky Curly. It does not have that at all. It does make your hair feel smooth. Your actual cuticle layers feels smooth, like there is silk in it, but there's no silk in this. Yeah, it's water, flaxseed, marshmallow. I wouldn't say that this gave me a ton of slip. Comfrey root, slippery elm, flaxseed oil, aloe vera leaf juice, grapeseed oil, agave nectar, phenol extract, whatever, preservative, xanthan gum. What does it smell like? It smells like porridge. It smells like oatmeal. That's what it smells like. Homemade oatmeal. Like, when you put vanilla, um, or for us Guyanese, you put a little bit of mixed essence. Yeah, that's what it smells like. It smells very much like oatmeal though. Um, and I lost my train of thought I was gonna say on this, but I do like it. I like the whole. I just need to find the leave-in to pair this with. If you guys know of a leave-in that this will pair with, that will give me last. Oh, reason what I was saying, the flaxseed. Let me just finish my other thought. While if you find if you know of a leave-in that will pair perfectly with this, that will give me a lasting moisturized feeling from it. And when I say that, I mean my hair don't feel bone brittle dry after a few days, right? Um, what I'm assuming is some kind of twisting cream or a butter will give me what I'm looking for if I pair it with this. I think, and I think that's what I'm gonna pair it with. I think I want to pair it. Actually, this is what I'm gonna. This is my next wash day, right? I think because this is what I have in my hair now, and I think at least for the winter, yes, I think. So I think I'm gonna pair it with the Miche twisting butter. And I'm also going to try it with their avocado cream. So that's what I'm thinking. Back to what I was saying with the silky feeling of this when I start reading the ingredients. The silky feeling that the flaxseed, this gel, this custard gives you, it's a humectant, but it's perfect, I think, for the winter months in that it seals in the hydration from your hair, the hydration that's already in your hair, the water that's already in your hair. It seals it in and it coats your hair with this nice, smooth um, feeling on your hair. However, because this thing ain't got no slip, and because I did not detangle my hair, this poor index finger right here, I have a callus on it. Now, I've been twisting my hair for 8 years, and I never had a callus on my finger from twisting. My finger is hurting me because of the because it wasn't the smoothness only comes after your hair is dry. It's not there when you put it on. So in the twisting, the friction from my hair and on my finger caused the callus. So I don't know about that. Might be a little too deep, too in depth. But I'm just recording my experience, and so I have to remember that this gave me a callus, and it hurt. And I don't know if it's because I used it 2 weekends in a row. No, I did not use this 2 weekends in a row. I don't remember. Um, but this bottle is only giving me 3 uses. This is where I'm at, and this I think I've only used it twice, and this is where I'm at. Um, yeah. So the search continues for a perfect combo that goes with this, and I think something a heavier thing that I can pair this with would be this twisting butter. I'm hoping, but that means that the hole that I get from this with the twisting cream will be gone. So I don't know. I gotta weigh it. But then I don't like my hair to be brittle dry. I love the hole when it was nice and fresh. But then day 3, I had to wash my hair because it was that dry. Anywho, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.